early afternoon period, and then we're going to be seeing those skies become clear this evening. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see another fairly seasonable day for our highs across the region. Wallops was actually the warm spot across the area, reaching up to 62 degrees. Elsewhere across the mid-Atlantic saw temperatures at or just below 60. This morning we did see some somewhat mild lows across the region with temperatures in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. We just see, like I said, a couple of spotty isolated sprinkles across the area, and as of 9 a.m. we are seeing temperatures in the mid-50s. We're seeing some light rain here as of 9 a.m. that has since moved off to the east. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we're seeing some zonal winds across the entire column once again here. Seeing those winds a little breezy just above the surface, all the way up to around 34 knots, and then remaining near that level up through the 6,000 foot level, and then seeing them slowly increase between 9 and 20,000 feet up to 70 knots, and then it quickly increasing to near 100 knots to the 25,000 foot level this morning. Freezing level this morning is at 7,600 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, you can see that area of isolated spotty showers that moved through southern portions of the Delmarva that has since moved off east, and we're going to be dry for the rest of the day, and then slowly seeing some of those clouds clear out of the area as we go through the into the late afternoon hours. As high pressure starts to build in, we are going to be seeing those winds remain westerly, then northwesterly as we go towards the late morning hours, increasing just a bit but staying below wind advisory criteria. Here's our surface analysis from this morning. We did see a very weak and mostly dry cold front move through the area. That cold air behind it is going to be a little bit take a little bit longer to move into the area, as tomorrow is going to still be seeing temperatures similar or not too much cooler than we're going to be seeing today, and we've only saw a couple of those isolated spotty showers this morning associated with that, and otherwise that high pressure is going to be building in as we go towards this afternoon, helping to clear out those skies tonight, giving us a cooler low tomorrow morning. So taking a look at our forecast charts for today, going to be seeing a weak area of high pressure building as we go into tonight. Going to be seeing those clear skies tonight. Temperatures are going to get down into the mid-30s here at Wallops. See that high pressure building in. As we go into tomorrow, we are going to be starting to see that cold air start to move in a little bit, so we are going to be seeing a little bit of a cooler high tomorrow compared to what we have been seeing today and yesterday. Then as we go into Wednesday night, that's when the real cold front is going to start to move in as we get some strong high pressure dropping down from Canada, and that's going to bring a very cold and very dry air mass to the region for our Thanksgiving. We are expecting highs temperatures for Thanksgiving across the region to really struggle to make it out of the mid-30s, with temperatures well below freezing for both Thursday morning and Friday morning as we get that high pressure settled in for Friday morning, expecting low temperatures in the teens across the area. So taking a look at our weather chart, we did have that yellow for some precipitation before 10 a.m. that has since moved east of the area, now seeing a little bit of sunshine out there. We are going to see those temperatures rise near 60 degrees early this afternoon. Those winds, as you can see, are going to increase from the northwest at around 8 to 13 knots late this morning. Going to be a little bit gusty. Can't rule out a brief gust to 25 knots, but for the most part going to remain below wind advisory criteria, and then those winds are going to slowly decrease through the evening, becoming 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Wednesday under mostly clear skies with a low tomorrow morning of 35. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing those clouds mainly near 6,000 or 7,000 feet throughout the day, becoming broken to overcast at times through the early afternoon hours, and then as we get into the mid to late afternoon, going to be seeing a few clouds near 2,500 feet, and then those clouds near 5,000 feet just going to be becoming a few. And then as we go towards 8 p.m., that's when those skies are really going to clear out, becoming clear to mostly clear throughout the entire overnight period. Then by 8 a.m., might be seeing a few clouds near 10,000 feet creep into the area. We're seeing our normal tides out there this morning. For tomorrow, going to be a partly cloudy day. Temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler than we have been seeing the past couple of days, only a high of 50. and we're not. It's going to be a pleasant day otherwise. And then Wednesday night, going to be looking at partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, and that's when we're going to start to see that high pressure drop down from Canada, build into the area. That's going to tighten up the pressure gradient, giving us some slightly breezy winds at times. It's also going to give us a very cold low for Wednesday night and Thursday morning of 28. Then for our Thanksgiving, that high pressure is going to start to really move in. Going to see those that tight pressure gradient still in the morning, so going to be breezy early, and it's going to be partly cloudy, but we're only expecting that high to get up to the mid-30s, expecting a high of 37 here with those northerly winds. Could be seeing colder highs as we go north towards the Salisbury area. So looking at a very cold day for Thursday, possibly even seeing those wind chill values for Wednesday. Thursday morning drop into the low teens with that breezy wind and those cold temperatures out there. Taking a look at our extended forecast, you can see we're going to be seeing that 60 degrees today, and then we'll start to see that cool down start tomorrow with a high of 50. That Canadian high pressure starts to build into the area for Thursday, only giving us a high of 37. And then it's going to really settle across the mid-Atlantic for Thursday night into Friday, and that's going to give us a low of around 20 degrees. It's likely going to be colder than that across more interior portions of the Delmarva. You can expect to see lows in some areas into the teens for Friday morning. And then on Friday, we're going to start to see that high weaken a bit and move off to the east, and that's going to help to slowly warm things up. Still expecting a very cold day of Friday of only 40, and then as we're going to Friday night and Saturday, we are going to see those winds shift more southeasterly, so we will be expecting those temperatures to rise throughout the night, Friday night and Saturday, ahead of our next system that's going to originate from the Gulf states and then ride up the coast. Still a little bit of a question exactly on the strength and timing and track of this storm that's expected to move up the coast for Saturday. It does look like Saturday morning is going to be dry but cloudy, and we're going to see those temperatures continuing to warm with a high of 62 expected for Saturday. And then by Saturday afternoon, we'll start to see rain move into the area. And like I said, still some model discrepancies on exactly how much rain and where the exact track of that storm is. We have some models only showing some showery activity, while others do show quite a bit of heavy rain for Saturday. That storm is going to be quick to move in the area. It's going to be breezy on Saturday as well, as it looks like that storm is going to be, especially if that storm is a little bit stronger than expected. Sunday, we're going to have some brief high pressure in between systems for Saturday, between Saturday and Monday, built into the area. So it's going to be mostly cloudy still, but should be dry with a high of 60. And then Monday, we are going to start to see a big pattern change across the region as a broad upper-level trough starts to dig into the northeastern United States. That's going to give us some showers on Monday. Still a question of, once again, how strong the system that's going to move through the area on Monday is going to be. But for now, it does look like we are going to expect at least some scattered shower activity, if not a little bit more than that. And then going into next week, we're going to start to see that upper-level trough really settle in across the northeast, and that's going to help to give us a period of below average temperatures possibly. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.